babies? I'm sitting in my bed right now and I look really red. Alright, but like alright, so I decided to vlog today. Today is quite a chill day. I have school later today, but like I just decided to vlog and show you a bit of like a day in my life. I also have a custom Air Forces order that I need to get fixed, so I'm gonna make so much traffic. I'm gonna make those today, and after that I have online class. So right now I'm just sitting in my bed. I was watching some YouTube and I'm actually kind of like tempted to get these razors. Let me show you. So I've seen them like everywhere, like all the influencers talk about it, and these are like super cute. The colors are really cute and you can get like a subscription, but like yeah, I'm influenced, I guess. So yeah, I might get those because I can't really find some good ones in store. I've tried like so many, even like men's razors, and I don't know, it never really works for me. I always get razor burn or like little bumps, so I might try these out. So I'm a bit disappointed because I ordered from I Saw It First, like the app or website, and I ordered a tracksuit and this is what it looked like, but this is what arrived. So yeah, that's just not it. It's not the same color. I ordered a lemon colored tracksuit, so the bottoms and a sweater or crew neck, and I just thought the color would like look really cute, like a light yellow color, but this is way darker and I'm disappointed. Also the quality isn't really good, so should I show you? I'm gonna try it on. So this is what it looks like. This one just went away, but it doesn't look horrible, but the color is just definitely not like on the website, and I would like wear it maybe cropped, but it's really see-through. You can literally see my underwear, and like right now in the viewfinder it looks cute, but in real life the color is just way darker than on the website. Like I thought it would be a really pale yellow, but it's not. So I'm disappointed. It's really thin. Like it doesn't look bad now, but I don't know. So initially I wanted to bring it back, send it back. Just take off my glasses because see that weird blue light, but I wanted to send it back, but you have to send it back on your own costs, and if I want to do that it will cost me like 13 euros, and I bought this and like another hoodie that isn't really great as well. I bought it for around 27 pounds, which is like I think 30 euros, so it's kind of stupid that the shipping is like a lot. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna send it back or if I'm gonna keep it or maybe sell it. So yeah, so little outfit change. I kind of feel weird with my hair like this. I washed my hair yesterday and my hair was still wet when I was going to sleep, so now it looks like this, but I want to straighten it again. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna do the shoes right now. I'm gonna paint them, and in like half an hour I've got school, so I can just put that on in the background, kind of like I can multitask. And yeah, the weather is so weird lately because it's been raining a lot, and now it's kind of like a nice day, but the sun keeps going away and I just don't know what to wear. Like right now I'm already wearing a warm hoodie and it's just September, like the beginning of September. I'm also quite excited today because I've got a package coming with some skincare from The Ordinary, and I'm gonna try it out because I've never tried it before and I don't really have a skincare routine, so I want to get one. I'm gonna create it. And I also hope my Beauty Bay order comes today or maybe tomorrow, because I actually wanted to film tomorrow with the new Nikki Tutorials palette, and I'm not really sure when it will arrive, so I will either film with the palette tomorrow if it arrives, or let me show you. I've got this as well. It's a lash kit and I'm kind of scared but also excited to try it out, so let me know if you want me to film that. Yeah, I might film this or I might film the Nikki Tutorials palette, and if it doesn't arrive, I'm not really sure, but maybe I will just upload this vlog first and we'll wait till it arrives till I film that like makeup look with the new palette. So yeah, we'll see. Hello again. Another outfit change because the hoodie was too warm, and it's like t-shirt that I'm wearing, and I straightened my hair because I just wasn't feeling it, and now I just feel way better. So yeah, and right now school is starting, so I'm just gonna do that, and I think I'm gonna paint these shoes while the class is going on. So let's just get ready. Yay! Actually, 2 orders arrived today. So the first one is from Douglas, and I'll show you what's inside. Got some testers, which is always nice. Ooh! This is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I've always wanted to try it. It's so cool. Alright. Oh yeah, I received a free makeup bag, so it's pretty cute. You can always use one. Alright, the next things that I've got. Let's see. First, oh yeah, it's the e.l.f. Happy Hydration Cream, because I have a moisturizer but it has perfumes in it and just the ingredients aren't that good and it doesn't really work. So I've watched some videos from Skincare by Hiram, and he recommended this for if you have dry skin, so I wanted to try it out. Next is the Ordinary hyaluronic acid. Oh my god. And yeah, also recommended by him. Very great for if you have dry skin, but it's actually just good for every skin type. Really excited to try it out. And next I got an eyeliner. It's not focusing. Can we focus? Alright, it's the NYX NYX Epic Wear eyeliner, and I've got a white one because I don't have a white eyeliner, and I've seen like all these cute editorial makeup looks and I wanted to create them. And yeah, it's just very good to have. And the last thing is this one. Let's focus. The Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Biscotti. I've not tried it out yet. Like everything in this little haul I haven't tried yet, so I'm really excited to try it out because I had a brow pencil from Lottie London, but it ran out, so I saw this and I wanted to try it out because the reviews on it were really good. So yeah. And from the Beauty Bay order, I ordered the Nikki Tutorials palette, of course, but I also ordered some more of the Ordinary products. And I also got the, I don't know what it's called, but I've got a cleanser and niacinamide or something. I don't remember, but they just have to arrive still. Let's see what's inside of this one. Let's open it. So this is what I ordered, and it's from AliExpress actually, and it's just a little button up with this color because I love the new trend where you wear a color underneath your sweater, and I just thought I would buy this instead of like wearing a full blouse underneath because it can get a little bit hot. So this is just really easy, like very cute, and I could even wear it on its own in like summer. So yeah, I really like this. So I'm having troubles right now because I connected my charger from my laptop to this to make it longer. I don't know what it's called, but now I can't get it off and it's literally stuck and I can't get it out. Normally it just goes very easy, but it's just not working. I'm so annoyed. Oh my gosh, I managed to get it off. Yay! Hi guys, I just took a nap actually, so, but that was my dog. But we're gonna eat in like soon, and I'm actually gonna do my makeup because we're going to IKEA unexpectedly with my brother. That's why I'm just gonna get ready like kind of quickly, and yeah, I'll maybe take you along. I'll see how busy it is with COVID and everything. So gonna get ready now. It's actually almost 6 o'clock now, so I think we're gonna eat soon and then we're gonna go to IKEA. I actually got quite tan from these like tanning drops. They do work quite well, but I didn't really blend it out in my neck, so oh well. My face isn't really matching my neck right now because of the tanning. I look a little bit orange, but it's fine. Who's gonna care? My skin does actually look quite clear now. It's good. So I gotta touch up my brows, so I'm gonna use the Morphe one that I just got. I'm gonna try it out. Let's hope the color is the right color. It looks really gray from here, but we'll see. It's a little bit too light for me, but I do think my brows look good, so I can see again. But I'm gonna eat right now, and then I'm gonna finish my makeup and pick out an outfit, so see you then. Oh, I'm so full. I've just had some burritos, and now I'm just gonna quickly fix the rest of my makeup, and yeah. Alright, I think I'm done. It's kind of like a simple neutral look, so I'm gonna do my hair now, and then I will... Honestly, what was that? Pick another outfit. So, oh my god, my arm is so wide in comparison to my face. I really need to tan. I haven't self-tanned in so long. I should. So this is my little outfit. Don't mind the mess in the background. I just hope it's not too cold outside. But yeah, cute. It's a bit dark. Let me put on some lights. Okay. We already got back because there was like a really long queue, as you could see, and we were like, if the queue is already long here at the counters, it must be even busier. So we decided to go home. Well, first we went to McDonald's and got ourselves a McFlurry. But then we went home. Yeah, it's kind of sad because we really wanted to go, and now we don't really know when we should go again because I think it's like really busy every day now. So, but yeah. So I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm not gonna do anything interesting now. So yeah, I really hope you liked this vlog. It was just like kind of a chill day, and I don't know, I just wanted to share a little day in my life. So if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because like 99% of my viewers aren't subscribed. So please subscribe. And yeah, I really hope to see you in my next video. So bye guys.